Do you want your Google documents to look like a pro? In this video, I will show you how to add clickable tabs to your document. Like and subscribe if this guide helps. Once you enter Google Documents, you want to type your headings. So we are going to say GuideWise 1, GuideWise 2, and GuideWise 3. So what you want to do is highlight all of your headings and go and add heading 1 to all of them. And you'll see in the left, you will have your tabs there. Now you can easily click and go specifically to that tab. And just like that, your Google documents look professional. Don't forget to like and subscribe.